Let's learn alphabets and toys. A.
Yay!
Airplane.
Yay!
B.
Yay!
Ball.
Yay!
C.
Yay!
Chess.
Yay!
D.
Yay!
Doll.
Yay!
E.
Yay!
Electric car.
Yay!
F.
Yay!
Frisbee.
Yay!
G.
Yay!
Game board.
Yay!
H.
Yay!
Hula hoop.
Yay!
I.
Yay!
Inflatable toy.
Yay!
J.
Yay!
Jump rope.
Yay!
K.
Yay!
Kite.
Yay!
L.
Yay!
Lego.
Yay!
M.
Yay!
Marbles.
Yay!
N.
Yay!
Nerf gun.
Yay!
O.
Yay!
Outdoor playset.
Yay!
P.
Yay!
Playgall.
Yay!
Q.
Yay!
Quoits.
Yay!
R.
Yay!
Remote control car.
Yay!
S.
Yay!
Scooter.
Yay!
T.
Yay!
Toy train.
Yay!
U.
Yay!
Unknown.
Yay!
V.
Yay!
Video game.
Yay!
W.
Yay!
Water gun.
Yay!
X.
Yay!
Xylophone.
Yay!
Y.
Yay!
Yo-yo.
Yay!
Z.
Yay!
Zorb ball.
Yay!
Thank you for learning. Subscribe channel for next fun.